check it. Yo, what's up, everybody?
What's up?
It's your boy Blitz.
I'll be your boy Blitz&Blurr on the microphone and zoom, 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 zoom.
I don't know. Much to put up with, I have. Yo, welcome to the episode of GCE Play.
Come on here.
Yo, we bring you guys none other than the new, hottest, anticipated part 2 of a series for the new Star Wars Jedi series, Star Wars Jedi Survivor.
That's like a mouthful.
That's pretty.
So why don't we just say Jedi Survivor?
We'll start. Okay, we can say Jedi Survivor.
Yeah, they'll know what we're talking about.
That. Y'all know what we're talking about. But look, this is your boy Ketis and BD1 jumping back on the scene with some more gameplay. And shout out to my girl Deborah Wilson, which is bald head in this one, but not my girl Deborah Wilson.
Me and her are like.
Oh man. I would say she may see the video and be flattered until you did that. Anyway, guys, yo, we're gonna bring you guys some gameplay. We hitting you on the PS5. We'll get some gameplay for the PC also.
That's right.
So you guys can see some of the not crossplay, but some of the play for both versions of it, which looks pretty good. Other than that, man, ready to get into some video?
I'm ready to get into some video, some gaming.
Let's jump into some Jedi Survivor gameplay, everybody.
Do us a favor. May the Schwartz be with you.
The Schwartz? That's one movie. That's Spaceballs.
I'm sorry.
Spaceballs. Shout out to Mel Gibson. Shout out John Candy, late great John Candy.
May the Force be with you.
But you said it like yogurt instead of Yoda. Yogurt's from Spaceballs. You still know Space. Anyway, I'm going to get him straight with his film vernacular and stuff like that. You guys check out the video. I just block all your shots. I'm such a nerd. I'm sorry.
Sarah's on lockdown. State your business.
Sean,
Believe the rumors. A Jedi. And we brought him in alive.
The Senator is expecting us.
You're clear to move along. We want to keep the Senator waiting. Yeah. Wish you died like the rest of your kind, traitor.
So, where's the handoff?
Docs, this kind of deal is best done in the shadows.
Sure. But what's to stop the Senator from taking our prisoner and shoving us into a sky lane?
He needs to keep this quiet. That's right.
Sidestepping Inquisitors, one-upping Vader? The guy's playing a dangerous game.
So are we.
This district is locked down. Senator's orders.
This way. We're taking a detour.
These streets are now closed by order of Senator Sajan.
Like rats in a maze. I don't like it.
Stick with the plan. We'll be fine.
As long as I get paid.
I have rights, you know.
Leave on your own or we take you in.
We're citizens. You can't treat us like this.
Yeah? Says who?
Level 2046 has seen better days. War's expensive. Someone's got to pay for it.
Hard enough to make ends meet in this galaxy.
Not according to the propaganda.
Pipe down, prisoner.
These are the bedrocks of the empire. Yet how can we thrive when terrorists threaten your homes?
Can't believe I'm about to meet a senator.
These days he rarely shows his face in public. Good thing he's making an exception for us. Well, we've got something that'll bring him favor with the Emperor.
We must all fight to protect.
I see.
There will be new opportunities for loyal citizens. Together, we will.
Very stand out.
Easy, officer. The Senator's just making sure everything's on the level. And we're off.
Attention. Level 2046 is now under curfew by order of Senator Sajan. Clear the streets and shelter in place until further notice. Security patrols will detain and incarcerate anyone who does not comply.
Get over here, Jedi.
The rest of you will stay here.
That wasn't the deal.
Deals change.
Not this one. I come along or we walk.
Only you. The others must wait.
Terrorist.
You gonna let him call you that?
That's enough.
So where'd you find him?
Night market. He was trying to buy a crate of electroproton bombs from a Chagrin arms dealer.
How'd you make the arrest?
Jedi have to sleep, same as us.
When the Senator gets a hold of you, you'll wish you were dead.
Always nice to meet a fan.
This way, Jedi. Mind your business.
This is my business. The prisoner needs to be in mint condition.
The Senator requested I bring the prisoner to him alive. He is breathing, isn't he?
Droids.
Is the district secure?
Yes, Senator.
It better be. Vader's dogs are always sniffing about. Jedi is a rare quarry these days. What else have you brought me? See that he is paid.
pleasure, Senator. Hope this isn't the last time we get to do business together.
The renegade Jedi Cal Kestis. You have made quite a name for yourself. Sabotaging weapons depots, disrupting supply lines, flaunting this for everyone to see. The failed coup on Norset. That was your doing, wasn't it?
What do you want, Senator? A confession? You already know I've been working with Saw Gerrera.
Before I deliver you to the Emperor, you will lead me to the remaining Jedi.
I can't. It's just me.
No use resisting. I'll find out one way or another. Sometimes all it takes is a speech. But in there, I have other tools at my disposal. Or maybe I'll just use this. Your master's lightsaber. Jaro Tapal, a traitor like you. And to think one day our children will ask, what is this thing? This relic of a corrupt institution destroyed by its own arrogance.
Arrogance is a trap a lot of us fall into, Senator.
I'm sure the Emperor won't mind if I deliver you to him in pieces. What?
Did you really think you could capture me? You've got classified military intel stored on your yacht. And you just brought it right to me. Thanks, BD.
You'll burn for this.
That's mine.
Stop the Jedi!
Take him alive!
Come and get me.
Dead or alive, just get him!
That all you got, Senator? Come on out. We'll talk.
Kill the assassin!
You can't beat me. Move up! Regret that. He won't stand still! Oh, great. It's just me then. This is some fight.
Not so fast, Senator. Hit it, BD. Now he comes to us. He's coming a little hot. Oh, really hot! Hold It's okay. These things happen. We gotta get to that yacht. That was a close one, buddy. It's not your fault. Catch up with the yacht.
Doc, where's the senator? His yacht gone. Yes? Negative. Call it in. What about the prisoner? Is he with the senator? Or he fell? I want confirmation before the senator's comms are back online. See anything? Nothing yet. There should be an entire platoon on these docks by now. Coordinated attack. Yeah, there he is. Take him out. Fire it. Got it. Let's get.
Buddy, over here. We gotta find that yacht before the Empire does.
Is it safe up here?
You're gonna disobey a direct command?
I'm just saying. We've got jetpack troopers for this, don't we?
It's a big district. They're doing general sweeps of the area. Our orders are to...
Jedi!
Whatever intel the Senators got stashed, I hope it's worth the risk. You never give up hope, do you, buddy?
Do we have eyes on the target? Not yet. Let's go. Move, move, move!
We can rest there. All right, let's go.
Don't. I beg you. I fought in the war.
I doubt that. Now clear out. Senator's orders. Oh, that's it. Blast them. Suspect's male. Was last seen on Dock 27. And they say he's a Jedi.
You're kidding, right? On Coruscant?
I couldn't have gone far.
Or he fled down level.
Scum must have lost his mind. Shouldn't have come here. I'm not done with you. Massive scared. My training's paying off.
There's the yacht. Still drifting.
That's the spirit, BD. We'll get it.
You want to get a bite after a shift? Sure, I could go for a turbo dog. I heard they make those out of strides. That's just a rumor. Fine. What about that noodle shop? Auger Alley's closed for business. Senator's got something in the works, huh? He always does. So long as I get my credits, it's none of my concern. Got an intruder!
I see him.
Extra shift. A lot of crime on the streets these days. I thought it was going to be less action on Coruscant. Look out! Does not look good. Get the enemy! Come on, come at it! Don't just stand there, do something!
closer. Hanging in there, BD? Don't look down.
Got you, traitor.
What took you so long?
Oh, you know, just hanging out, taking in the sights. Been a while since I was on Coruscant. Thanks, bud.
Part of the job, Ketis. When I saw the dock collapse, I thought this heist might be over real quick.
Why make it easy for him?
Ah,
Where's the crew?
heading to the yacht. We'll meet him there. Oh, and Bravo said no comms.
No comms it is. Bravo knows best. Coob and Liz are probably starving by now.
Hungry Klaatu-Indians. Ooh, we don't want that.
Remind me to tell you about the Corita job sometime.
Looks like that factory stopped the yacht. I'd call that a win.
No gunships. The crew must be making mischief.
Let's not keep them waiting. How are we gonna get you across?
Well, that didn't work. Think you can knock down that crate?
Worth a shot.
That jetpack's handy.
Remind me to tell you how I got it sometime. Who taught you to move like that?
My master. Every time I fell, he got me back on my feet.
Sounds like a good teacher to me. Stormtrooper patrol.
Looking for us.
Better us than the yacht, yeah?
Some kind of rare mineral, I guess. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Impressive.
Who needs a jetpack?
Ha!
See that cable?
On it, Kestis. Bucketheads below. No going around them.
Then we go through them.
All ready when you are, Kestis. Enemy's close. I got your back, Cal. Hey, fella. Looks like a fight.
I'm trying to stop you. It's all over now.
Nicely done.
Back at you.
You can call the lift with that terminal.
On it.
Troopers coming.
Let's get the drop on him.
Sure thing. On your signal.
This'll be fun.
It's us or them.
I'll get you.
Trigger fingers itchy. Okay. You can fight.
Yeah, you too.
I don't speak binary, but I hear you, BD. Team effort.
The yacht's just over there.
And of course, the bridge is under construction.
Let's try up that way.
Quit reading my mind, Jedi. All set.
Focus.
All done?
Yeah, let's find the crew. This place is a ghost town.
Coruscant's changed a lot over the last few years. These days, just being outside's asking for trouble.
Speaking of trouble, let's avoid that patrol.
Agreed. Slow up. Enemies nearby. Hit him back!
Support. I copy you.
We've got contact.
I hate probe droids.
Same here. All right, let's dance. That'll teach him.
Hard to say. Wouldn't be surprised if they pull us up level. Yeah, the Jedi's long gone. Command center for Seattle security. Enemy located! Information! You want to escape? Got it! Don't stop pressuring him!
You never should have crossed us. Dead end.
Let's double back.
Got some company, and it isn't friendly.
Have to flip up! Get up here!
I need a stim, buddy. Perfect. Found something.
I could have, right?
I'll get my target, don't you worry.
contact.
Up there! You don't scare me!
I think BD wants you to knock that down.
Now I'm taking orders from a droid.
The Emperor turned the Jedi Temple into his palace.
Yeah, that's what the Empire does best. Take something you love and make it something you can't stand the sight of anymore.
How long you been working with Saw Gerrera?
Not long. A few jobs here and there.
I could tell you impressed him. That isn't easy.
I'm good at what I do, and I don't ask the wrong questions. That combination tends to open doors.
I've given you everything I have.
We're here to protect you. I'm sure that's worth a few more credits. gutsy to go against Sejan. Yes, from what I hear, his enemies end up in turbo dogs.
Enemies nearby. We're on, Ketis.
You killed them all! The name of the Empire!
Enemies down. Good eye.
There you are. Survey opponent's position.
Been looking forward.
On the central. Scanners failing. Melee blade.
Not done yet.
Hey, bud, Tim.
You're all right.
You will regret that. Sudden movement unforeseen. Attack.
Nice one, Ketis. That guy really didn't like you.
Don't think he was a fan of you either.
I don't see a way up.
Let's look around. Find something, buddy?
What's he got?
Ascension cable. Workers use them for construction now.
Can you repair it?
Cable's a bit frayed. Not in bad shape. Should be a quick patch job.
So I heard you fought the Empire on Kashyyyk.
Yeah?
Hijacked a walker and broke open an Imperial prison camp single-handed.
That one was BD.
Just the two of you.
And some friends. What about you, new guy? You in this for the credits?
Credits never hurt. But, I have a daughter. Kata. I don't get to see her as often as I'd like, but at least I can provide for her.
Must be hard, being away from her. Is her mother?
She's gone. The Empire took her from us.
Sorry. Taking a lot of people.
More every day. You ever use one of those?
I'll figure it out. It was a scrapper on Braca.
You've been through a lot for someone so young.
Just trying to survive.
Aren't we all?
Yo, there you have it, everybody. Some hot gameplay from GCE for Jedi Survivor.
It feels hard, bro. It feels like it's like Dark Souls, but with force powers that you kill people with.
It's nothing like Dark. Will you stop saying that? Yo, this is, like I said, this is the second part of the series. I'm not sure how many more they're going to do, but the Cassius character came out real good. And sorry, guys, no ponchos. No ponchos this time.
Yeah, it looks good. It sounds good. The play is good. So right now, it's looking like it could be a game. It could be game of the year contender.
I don't know. It's still early. We'll see. But look, we like it. We hope you guys like it. But we hope you guys, while you can, would be so inclined to jump over on TikTok and check us out at game_changers_ENT to see us on behind the scene footage over there, to see your boys put the videos together. It's pretty kooky.
And do us a favor. Please go to the channel and please like, share, and subscribe.
This is the gaming channel you're looking for.
No other gaming channel exists. But do us a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please do us a favor. Hit that bell icon, because that bell icon will let you know when we drop a new video. It'll hit you up on all your devices. So you'll be like, GCE dropped the video. I got to watch it. It'll be right there. Not while your boss is looking, okay? Not while you're driving. We don't want, but we want it in a safe place.
Okay. That's pretty specific. Thank you guys for rocking with us another year. Hopefully we got some more titles coming out. It's kind of a slow season for new title droppings, but we came at you guys. So
and we'll be dropping some new stuff coming soon. So I know we've been kind of laxed on that, but we're getting back to our new segments as well. So this is your boy Blur.
This is your boy Blitz.
And we will GCE you later with the Star Wars Jedi Survivor. May the swoosh be with you.
I thought we talked about this.
Yeah, but it just sounds so good saying it. Because then we're never going to get a space ball
game.
Yeah, that would be funny though.
It probably would.
EA, Spaceballs.
Yeah,
make it happen.
Rick Moranis. I mean, they can do all the original voices except the late great John Candy and actually Joan Rivers too. We lost Joan Rivers also, but still, it's out there. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. We appreciate you guys and your support. Hit us in the comments. Let us know if you got anything on your mind you want to say. Like, we all been. But
let us know which one you like, part 1 or part 2. If you played part 1 and you're into part 2, let us know which one you prefer. Because some people always love part 1s better than part 2s. You know, so see you later.
And we'll also do a review about that later too.
And see you later. And may the force be with you. There's no other gaming channel but GCE.
Thank you, everybody.
There's no other channel but GCE. You will hit the bell icon.
Oh my God. All right. Peace, everybody. Thank you. Let's check it.